Hi, welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. This is Christine with two more journals, and these are inspiration style journals because they have little quotes and words in them throughout to sort of inspire positivity. And I used up some of the paper packs that I had, so I'll take you through them. I've got two of these journals. The first one measures 4 1/4 inches by 6 inches, and it's 1 3/4 inches wide. The second one measures 5 inches by 4 inches, and it's also 1 1/4 inches wide. So I'll do a separate video on this one, and I'll go through this one in this video. On the side I attached some spine dangles, so it's a bunch of fibers that I had left over in my stash, and I've got also a couple of little dangling beads in here. And on the side I attached a heart, and that was from an earring, an old vintage earring. So I put that on the side of the dangle, and this is removable like that. So I'll just put this aside for now, and I'll take you through the journal. It's got an elastic closure with a lollipop flower and button center, and that just opens like that. And on the cover it says, "Don't even think about giving up." It's the same title as the other one. And I've got 5 stitched signatures in here, and the back is just plain beautiful shimmering blue paper, like a foil type paper. So on the inside I have a tag, says "Dream big, live more, worry less." So you can tuck something behind there. And also my journals come with these little bookmarks that I made with a paperclip, a flower, and some dangling beads. So I'll put this aside as well. I'll just go through the sayings quickly so you get an idea of what it looks like, because this is going to be in my Etsy shop if anybody's interested. Celebrate today. It's all a variety of different papers. I've got some tea dyed in there, and I've got some die cuts. Outstanding smile. There's some graph paper, different textures as well. Grow, bloom. There's some full and some half pages. You are awesome. Another part of the doily. Good day. Stay curious, and you can tuck something back there. This is scrapbooking paper. Cherish the little things. And if you're inserting photos, make sure you're using copies and not your originals, because not all of these papers are acid free. Beautiful. Explore and discover. Now or never. Believe. Dream big. Brilliant smile. Dream big, and then in big words, dream big. Big fonts. Be fabulous. So they're all little sort of inspirational quotes. Promise. Keep it simple, and tuck something behind. wishes, creating wonder. So you just put words together and it becomes sort of inspirational, I find. Shine brilliant, inspire, choose to be happy, and you can tuck something up there. Play every day. Patience. Best day ever. Good day, best day ever, again. Wonder. And peace. And you can tuck something behind here as well. So I'll include a link in the description of this video to this journal in my Etsy shop if anybody is interested in purchasing it. Have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.